Hi, and welcome to Aussie Scale Modeller. Jace here, glad to have your company once again. Well, huge shout out and thank you as per usual to all amazing support that I get on this channel. All the likes, the subscribes, the comments, the emails. Fantastic, thank you so very much. Well, today this is only a very short video, but a very good one. We've got an unboxing to do, and it's arrived in the package in the mail today from Monique from IckySticky, so make sure you go and visit Monique there at IckySticky.com.au. Great range of products, great stuff for us modelers, and affordable prices and great service. So anyway, without further ado, as I said, this is very quick. Let's peek down here. We'll put the camera up and yeah, let's get unboxing. And there it is. How quick was that? Right. Little scalpel. And while we're doing this, folks, don't forget, 28th of April, we have the Mackay model show coming up. Looking forward to being up there, catching up with a great bunch of people. So yeah, 28th of April. And also coming up with, on the 10th of this month, we have the 48-hour build. Go to the Facebook website. I'll put it down in the description. And yeah, you have the link there to go and have all that. Share with amazing auctions and everything all over the world. Okie doke. What do my eyes see in here? Can you guys see in that box? Yes, you can. Oh, hello. Yeah, well, Mrs. Outlaw gets those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of raspberries. Wow. I know that that's changing up. We've got the thin, thick, and we'll put that all here. We'll just get it all out. Lots and lots of goodies in here. As you can see, this is live, all done, and as you can see, IckySticky.com.au. Right, we'll put that to the side, that to the side. Right, 2, 3, 4. Like a bit of the old, wow, always packed magically. Now, as you can see, I've got this CA to bonder and all that, and all this extra CA. And you go, well, you haven't seen your complete many builds. Well, just because you don't see it on video doesn't mean I'm not building and different things. So, yeah. Right. Let's go through there. 1, 2, 3. Rubbish to the side. Wet and dry. Over there. Here we go. Boom. What have we got here? 1, 2. Right. Okay. Rightio, so for those of you that don't know, IckySticky is an Australian-owned company, and they, well, I don't know even my next husband's name, but Mr. IckySticky as we call him. Yeah, they are unbelievable. Their products are affordable, they are quality, and again, the service is off the charts brilliant. So, and they're always looking to innovate and add new stock products to their range. So go visit them there at IckySticky.com.au. Now, first off, we have, and a few of these are new products, I know that. We've got this sanding sponge sheet set, 400, 600 and 1000. There we go. Now look at that. You can do, it's 114 by 140 by 5 mil. You can use it wet or dry. You can cut it to size, flexible and easy to use, use on all types of materials, and for contoured and irregular surfaces. That'd be like my head, but we don't need to sand that. So we've got the 400, 600, 1000, the 1500, 2000, 3000 there. 180, 240, 320. Now that'll be great on your resins and really roughing stuff up and taking a chunk of material off if you've well, if it's a bad sprue or you've over put on your filling your gaps and all that sort of stuff. Right, going back to the tried and tested, we've got the IckySticky 30mm thick, slow cure, high strength, maximum gap filling, 50 gram bottles, folks. That's amazing. You can get them in a smaller bottle, but yeah, the medium. Okay, as you can see, gap filling. Hang on, let's get in there. Let's focus. Here we go. Gap filling. Bonds virtually anything. Works on oily surfaces. Awesome. And then the thin. Now this is the CA. It's penetrating formula, super fast cure, and it's got a superior wicking action. So there we go. It runs really well. Moving on to number 2 blades here. Love using these on my photo etch. Pack of 50 there. Got some wet and dry alone sandpaper. Here we go. As you can see, you got the grit 3000, 4000, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12 and 15. Beautiful, that 15 and that beautiful to you know, get that last little bit done. You know, just give it that final touch, that final fine sand. So, right, moving on to, we have the debonder. Pete from Scale Modelling knows a bit about this stuff. Absolutely magic. And the activator. So if you need that piece to sit, you've got it in position, you don't want it to fall, bang, hit it with that after you've used the CAs and up and running. Rightio, moving on to the last item, but not the least, is the 3-piece glass file set. We've got sand, file and polish. These are the large ones, I believe. And yep, well, there we go. It even says large. I've got to get the small ones, the medium ones or whatever. But these are amazing. Now, let's just open this up and we'll pop one out. They come displayed nicely, as you can see. Let's put that up there. Right out. So you get your pack of 3. And these are very, very affordable. I'm not sure if you can see there. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. And it's got, tells you what it is, medium, IckySticky.com.au is on the label. So you'll be able to see those at all times, so you know what you're picking up. There's no guesswork involved with that. And here we go, can I? So we'll put that in there like so. Protect it, because as we all know, glass does break. I'm not sure how it'll go on the carpet. I don't think it'll break on carpet, but right, we'll sit that there. And there we go. So what a great little care package from an there. I'll just take these out now, put them in there. Little containers. Right, take that off there. Last but not least is the super fine. That'll give you a polishing effect right at the end, so you'll be able to polish it up like glass. So, right, put that back there. As you can see, I'll take that off. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Right, 2, 3. There we go. Right, well there you go. What a great haul. I know I say that, here we go, well there you go, quite a lot, but that's just me. So we've got the sanding sponge sheets. Just move that out of there. The thin, the medium, the thick CA, the 50 replacement blades, the wet and dry sandpaper, all there. What a great little care package that is from Monique. Thank you so very much. And of course we've got, for Mrs. Outlaw, the raspberries. Rightio, and we peek over just there, I'll duck back there guys. As you can see, the tank is in progress, so I haven't, we'll move that around, down and up. The tank is in progress, yes. Got most of the 90% of the parts primed, ready to go. Got a bit of weathering and that to do on a few of things. Even got the old 25% better value Schwarzkopf strong styling hairspray. So that's for a bit of weathering. As we know, I do like to use that as part of my weathering techniques. And guys, can you put in the comments whether you want to see me actually do a bit of weathering on camera, or do you just want to see an after effect? But anyway guys, as I said, quick video, huge shout out to Monique, IckySticky.com.au, and please go and visit her there, support a great Australian company, unbelievable people. And well guys, as I always say, it's all good, and catch you later.